So over here you can see that I have a video footage right here, and this video footage has a green screen behind it. And if you want to go ahead and remove that green screen and make it transparent, then what you can do is you can utilize something called a chroma key. So to do that, you need to click on this video clip right here, and then what you need to do is you need to go around onto the cutout tab over here, just like this. And once you go around onto the cutout tab, you can see that chroma key is an option over here. So what you need to do is click on the chroma key right here, and here you can see color picker is an option. So what you can do is you can go around and click on the color picker right here, and once you do that, the color picker becomes active, as you can see, and you can go around and click anywhere right here, just like this, and click, and you can see that the green the green sample right here has been picked out. So now all you need to do is you need to go around and increase out the strength, and you can see that the flames right here is not quite covered yet. So you can go around and increase the strength and choose that sweet spot where all the green screen has been removed right here, just like this. So now once you do that, let me just go around onto the library. So what you can do is you can add in any background over here as you like, as you can see, just like this. So I'm just going to go around over here, and you can see that this is what I have. So I'm just going to go around onto, let's say, the DN text and bring it back at the back right here. And then this is what you have, as you can see. So you got the candle right here, just like this. And if I were to press the play button, you can see that that is what you have. Let me just go around and mute out the audio right here. Mute out the audio right here, just like this. So this is what you have. So it says track mute. So I'm just going to go around and mute this and press the play button, and that is what you have, as you can see. So this is how you can make the contents transparent right here, just like this. So that is how you can work around with chroma key inside of CapCut desktop editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.